Hi guys, how are you? Going superb? Okay. Today the topic which I have chosen to teach you is how to draft an advertisement on the topic to let. In the previous video I have told you how to draft the advertisement of situation vacant, situation wanted, and I have told you what are the special features of advertisement. What is the word limit? Means 50. You know better. Okay. Now I am going to tell you that how to draft an advertisement of to let. When a person gives rent of a place to the owner of the property and owns it, he is called tenant. And one who gets rent and is the owner of the property is called a landlord or a landlady or landowner commonly. Fine. So, how to draft the advertisement to let? Let's see, I'm going to give one example. Again, you have to start with to let word, and at last you have to conclude it with contact number and email ID. Fine. But in between, you have to define the special features, characteristics of that house which you want to give for the rent. Okay. Now I will show you on the screen that how to draft an advertisement of to let. Okay guys, you can see on the screen here I have drafted an advertisement on the topic to let. To let is separate portion, a newly constructed house. So it is a newly constructed. Again it is an adjective on 1000 square meters in Noida. Place is given. Then 3 bedrooms. You can see that I have quoted phrases only. I have not written the lines in the complete sentences because it is not proper for the drafting of an advertisement. We have to use, I have already told you that we have to use phrases, not complete sentences, and no use of grammar should be there. Little bit grammar you can use, but not completely you have to use grammar in the drafting of an advertisement. Now, next is eco-friendly environment, ultra modern fixture, car parking facility. You can see. Then close to railway station, supermarket, and hospital. These are the things which are needed in the day-to-day life. That's why I have given these all facilities for a rental house. Next is rent expected around rupees 20,000. It is in the posh area, Noida. That's why the rent is 20,000. And then last is contact number or email ID you can add. Fine. So this is the formation of the advertisement to let. Such type of advertisement you can create under this category. If any topic will come in the exams, you can quote the words according to the suitability of the title. Fine. A house is there, or a building is there, or a factory is there, or a school building is there for rent. According to that availability of the institution or building or place, you can quote the words, you can add the features and characteristics. Now I have created one more also. You can see I have drafted one more also. Here you can see the features of a school building. What is needed in the school building if we have to take that on rent, or if it is for rental purpose. You can see special features. Again, to let a separate school building, a newly constructed, then you can add 10,000 square meters. Then you can define the area. Here it is Noida, you can add according to your suitability if it is not given in the question. Then you can add lush ground, green ground, then playground, then here it is well equipped labs, library, then assembly area, which is very important for the assembly. Then it should be spacious, well ventilated classroom should be there. Then furniture, water, electricity, all the facilities are there in the school building. So these all features you can add while drafting the advertisement for a school building to let under the category of to let. So I have given you two examples, two models of drafting an advertisement under the category of to let. In such a manner you can create any type of advertisement coming under the category of to let. and I feel that you have understood, you can read it again. You can pause the video and see it and then do the written practice. So, in the continuation of the series of advertisement, today we have completed the advertisement to let. We have done situation vacant in a video, situation wanted in another video, and today we have completed to let. Now the next topic will be sale purchase. Fine. Okay, have a nice day. Stay safe, stay inside. Goodbye.